Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your laundry room acrylic rod step by step. Before you begin, make sure you have all the parts from your package. Your kit includes an acrylic rod, wall flanges, set screws, grub screws, and an Allen key. First, take the acrylic rod and insert a flange on each end. Don't tighten the grub screws yet. Next, take the rod to the spot where you want to install it. Use a measuring tape to check that the distance between the two walls matches the length of your rod. Then use a level to make sure the rod is perfectly straight. Once you're happy with the position, mark the drill holes on both sides with a pencil. Drill the holes carefully using a drill machine. Now place the rod back into position and secure both flanges to the wall using the screws provided. Finally, tighten the grub screws on both flanges with the Allen key to lock the rod in place. And that's it. Your laundry room acrylic rod is now fully assembled and ready to use. With just a few simple steps, your setup is complete.